In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the tailgate on your Dodge Ram located at the tail portion of your bed. On the inside of the bed here where the cable comes up to, there's going to be a little retaining clip right here. I'm going to use a pocket screwdriver and gently lift up on that. I'm going to lift up on the bed. That's going to give us some cable slack. And slide that up and off. Now before you let go of the tailgate, you want to make sure that you have assistance if the other cable is broken. Otherwise the tailgate will come down, hit the bumper, and you can damage the tailgate itself. Our cable is still good, so we're able to go ahead and release that. Go ahead and remove the strap on the other side. Pop that off. I want to tilt the tailgate up at an angle. You should get to a point where you can pull one end out. We have the passenger side out. Slide that out, and then go ahead and just put the tailgate down. Now inside here is where this cup is going to go. Most of the cup is already gone. We just have the back piece. So on the back side, there's just these little clips here. I want to go ahead and release those. Just going to reach in there with a pair of needle nose pliers and pop that out, what's left of it. The passenger side bushing right here has a little C notch in it. We're going to pop that out. Now our particular vehicle has a bed liner and a tailgate guard. If yours does not have this, you can go ahead and skip this part. But our particular vehicle requires a T30 Torx bit to go ahead and remove our hardware. With the hardware removed, I'm going to remove that protective cover, set it aside. Now if your truck does not have that bed liner, you want to remove this cover here. It has 10 of the T30 Torx screws. Okay, grab that access panel and remove that. Want to disconnect our actuator lock rods. We're going to use a small pick, and right here there's a little tab. We're going to push that out and lift up. That's going to allow us to open this up and do the same on this one here. That'll come up. You want to go ahead and just pop the rod out of this. Set those aside. Using an 8mm socket, loosen and remove the two nuts here. Go ahead and take that latch unit, set this aside. Using a T45 Torx bit, go ahead and remove this bolt here. You're going to repeat for the other side. I'm going to go ahead and grab that latching unit. Go ahead and remove it from the vehicle. Now when I remove these here, I simply took a Sharpie marker, and on the driver's side, I put a D. On the other side, I put a P for the passenger side. That way there on assembly, It makes it really easy for me to know which one goes where. I'm going to go ahead and lift up the tailgate, and our handle will come right out. At this point here, all of our components are removed from the tailgate. Now you can go ahead and reinstall the parts into the new tailgate and install it. When installing your tailgate handle, you want to make sure that the two studs come through these notches right here. Install our driver side latch unit here. Let's go ahead and get one of the bolts here started on our latch. I'm not going to tighten these down yet until we get our tailgate cable bolt anchored here as well. That gives us the adjustability to go ahead and get that lined up perfect. Let's go ahead and install the passenger side latch. Now installing the rod actuator unit here, you want to make sure that this is in position where the arm for the tailgate handle is positioned. So when you operate that tailgate, it'll push on this here. Feed this down into place. Go ahead and get the two 8mm nuts started on there. Go ahead and snug these down. Now once that nut bottoms out, just give it a little bit more. Do the same over here. Once that nut bottoms out, a little bit more, not even a quarter turn. We want to make sure that it's snug, but you don't damage anything. At this point here, go ahead and set our rod into place. Snap it in, and then press our lock down. I'm going to go ahead and do the same on this one here. Line this up, snap it in, and then press our lock on. Install your cover. Get all your screws started and threaded in there. Once you have all your screws started, go ahead and snug them down. Install your bed liner cover here. Take your cable and take your locking unit here. It's going to go on like that. Put the bolt through. Install the little star washer here. That little star washer will secure this here. You want to go ahead and repeat for the other side. We'll go ahead and install your bolt. When installing this here, there are two tabs. The longer one is going to be the one that fits into the tailgate notch here. So you're going to install this here. The short tab works as a locker. Install your star washer. I'm just going to hold that washer as that tightens that up into there. That star washer will retain that clip. Line that up. Take the new cup, pop this in. I want to go ahead and repeat for the other side. I want to go ahead and take that C cup and set this inside. Snap that in. When installing our tailgate, you also want to pay attention that the driver's side fits on first. The cup will fit over this here, and then the passenger side will fit down into the notch side. Okay, we have the driver's side slipped on. We have the passenger side cup in. We can now go ahead and install our cable and lower the tailgate.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.